Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in grooming essentials. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated products in the world of hair care, the Fagaci Professional Hair Clippers. If you're looking for the best clippers on the market, look no further. The Fagaci Professional Hair Clippers are engineered for those who demand precision and power in their grooming routine. Featuring turbo power motors, these clippers are designed to tackle even the thickest hair effortlessly, ensuring salon-quality results right at home. These clippers boast upgraded motors that deliver exceptional cutting power without the noise, making for a smooth and efficient grooming experience. Crafted from high-carbon steel, the blades ensure a precise cut every time, effortlessly gliding through all hair types with ease. Enjoy up to 5 hours of cordless use with the clippers and 3 hours with the trimmer, perfect for uninterrupted grooming sessions. Plus, they recharge fully in just 3 hours. Designed with input from professional barbers, these clippers combine durability, precision, and quality, making them a favorite among stylists. Intelligent motor protection prevents burnout by automatically shutting off when stressed, ensuring long-term durability. What does this mean for you? It means you can achieve professional-grade haircuts and styles from the comfort of your own home, without the hassle of frequent charging or noisy motors. In terms of user experience, the Fagaci clippers are ergonomic and comfortable to hold, allowing for precise maneuvers and detailed styling. The cordless flexibility adds convenience, whether you prefer freedom of movement or continuous power. To sum it up, the Fagaci Professional Hair Clippers are a top contender in the world of grooming tools. With powerful motors, precision blades, and long-lasting battery life, they're designed to meet the demands of both amateur and professional stylists alike. If you're serious about maintaining your hairstyle with salon-quality results, these clippers are a worthwhile investment. Check the link in the description below to get your hands on the Fagaci Professional Hair Clippers today. That wraps up our review on the Fagaci Professional Hair Clippers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.